Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation to gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down again and find navigation bar. And as you can see here, we've got our two options, so buttons and gestures. Before we will swipe to gestures, I just wanted to show you some options that are connected with the buttons. So you can, for example, reorder them according to your needs and decide whether you want to use circle to search. So to set the swipe gestures, just tap on this animation and your device will replace the 3 buttons with this line, which is responsible for some gestures. Here you've got more options. You can change the gesture sensitivity to be higher or lower, just like that, and I highly recommend to do this, but after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Now let's go back and again circle to search, which is connected with this line. Alright, so to get back to the previous page, you need to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can simply release the finger, and the same situation with the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you want to open the recent, so repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so kind of elongate the gesture like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.